Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to pair earbuds in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone, you want to pair your earbuds or headphones, so let's see how you can do that. Now, first of all, you have to open your Bluetooth settings. Here, just keep a long press on your Bluetooth, then tap on details. Then tap on it to turn it on. Once you have turned on, you must have to make sure that your earbuds or headphones are power on. As I have now, you must have to wait for it until it can get the name of your earbuds and the headphone. Just wait for that, or if you can't, just tap on the scan option and it will scan for nearby devices. Once you get the name on your screen, you must have to tap on that, and here it will start it pairing. Just tap on pair option and it has been connected. Now you can easily use your earbuds or your headphones from your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.